this is for the seventh experiment, a linear search and binary search. And in a linear search, if an unsorted list is given, it loops through every element of the whole array and tries to find the target. If the element like ARRI, index, um this indexed element is actually equal to the target, it returns the index of the element which is to be found. And if it is not found, if the element is not present in the array, it returns -1, which means false. And in a binary search uses the divide and conquer method. And define binary search, it okay. There is low and high. Low is actually the first index, and the high is like the last element. And when low is less than or equal to high, which is true, and mid is equal to low plus high. This mid is equal to low plus high is the middle element or the middle index of the array. And if array mid is equal to target, if the middle element is equal to the target which we have to found, it returns the middle element, returns mid. And elif, if array mid element, the middle element of the array is lesser than the target, low is equal to mid plus 1. It actually goes from the mid and increments to the next elements of the array and checks if it is true. Else high is equal to mid minus 1. It from the high, if actually what it means here is array mid is greater than target. If the mid element is greater than target, it decrements from the middle and goes to the left side, and it finds the element. And none of this is true. It returns -1. The element is not found. And here we have our menu driven while true search algorithm menu. We have options for linear search, binary search, and we have options for exit. We have to enter our choice. If choice is equal to 0, we are exiting the program. So here if choice is equal to 1, if the choice is equal to linear search, unordered list, array list to map enter the elements of the array. It asks us to enter the elements of the array, and it takes it as an input. And int input enter element to search. It asks us for the element which you have to search, and result is equal to linear search. It uses the linear search, and we have the array ARR and the target which we have to found. If result is not equal to -1, if it is not false, element is found at the position result plus 1 and index result. This element is found at this position, like this index, and the index is printed. And else, if it is equal to -1, element target not found in the list. So the element is not found, and it returns this. Elif choice is equal to 2. If we enter the choice as binary search, it does the binary search operation, and it's the same thing here. And else invalid choice, please select from the menu. So now if you run this code, it asks us for the options. So first we have to search in a linear search, and we have to enter the list of elements. Let's give 1, 34, 6, 8, 9, 10. Enter the element to search. We have to search for an element, and let's give 56. And it gives element is found at position 3. Position 3, which means index is 2. So now we have to do binary search and ordered search. Enter the elements list in sorted order. We have to give it out in sorted order. 1, 23, 34, 40, 55, 57, and 89. Now we have to enter the element to search. Let's give 34, and it returns the element and the position in which it is present. And that is all about the seventh experiment.